Hey everyone, I'm Natalie, and this is my morning routine where I make breakfast for my five kids. And today it's Mother's Day, and I'm gonna be making some pancakes, the plain ones and chocolate chip, some scrambled eggs, and some bacon strips. That's something new that I am gonna be doing because my 7-year-old she likes bacon for some reason now. So I bought some bacon during um, our grocery haul, our grocery shopping. So let's get started. Let me start with the pancakes first. So I'm gonna get that warmed up. Gonna be using the Pearl Millings Buttermilk Complete. And I just do 2 cups mix and 2 cups mix in 1.5 cup water. Sometimes I add a little bit more water because it's too thick. Not a little bit more water. Yeah, add a little bit more because it's too thick. Sometimes it gets watery, so I have to add more of the pancake mix too. And the kids are getting ready for church. If you guys are doing anything for Mother's Day, let me know. I'm not going to be doing anything. Just going to church and going home. I don't want to do anything. I did not buy vanilla. I usually put vanilla in it. Did not buy the vanilla flavor. Need to get a new one of these. My school spring semester is over, so I have time without stressing to record. Summer, what's it called? Summer semester? Summer semester is coming up. Let me start this, and then I'm gonna do the bacon. The only reason why I even know how to do bacon is because I make it for my patient. I'm a home health aide, and sometimes I make breakfast for them, and that's how I even know how to do bacon. I think this is too watery. We'll put a little bit more powder in there. We like it thick. Let me do the bacon. The first time I did it home, I burnt them, so my fire was on too high. I'm gonna be using in. I cut off the name of it. Is the name still on here? I think it's the store brand smoked bacon. I think that's what it was. I'm gonna put like it's all scrambled up. Maybe like 5 in there. my 7-year-old said it smells like popcorn. So next time I'm just gonna get the regular one because the smoked bacon one is what I bought. So next time I'm just gonna buy the regular one. Just put it in the fridge. Okay. It's always sometimes my first batch of the pancakes is good and sometimes it's not. Right now, it's not looking good. So I'm gonna wait for that and I'm gonna fix the bacon up. And I don't put any oil or anything in there because the bacon already makes its oil, makes a lot of oil, grease, the fat, whatever you want to call it. I'm just separating them so they can cook. Okay, got that. Maybe I didn't let it warm up enough, and that's why this one is like this. All right, well, that is cooking. Let me do the eggs. I'm gonna make like 6 of them. Let that cook for a little bit more. There you go. The kids gave me some gifts from school for Mother's Day. So that was nice. Where's your glasses, Ian? I need to pay attention to the bacon because last time I burnt it. Put it low. Okay. And I use avocado oil spray. You can see it. Yeah. Yeah, we just like it thick. It's better this way. Need to turn the bacon. There's so much oil in it. Oh, that thing turned off. My light turned off. I don't know if it's bright enough for you guys. I didn't charge it. My mini light. If I don't take out the white stuff, the kids are gonna see it in the eggs and they're not gonna eat it. That's how picky they are. Okay, I think that is good enough. Might be a little too thick. Just a little bit of water. And I'm gonna mix it. There's a plate for the eggs and a plate for the bacon. Last night we had white rice, black bean sauce, salmon, and some salad. It was delicious. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. It's so greasy. Okay, let me do the eggs. I use Maggi cube right here, and I put a little bit of it in it. Oh, and I almost forgot I have to do some chocolate chip ones. Let me do one more plain, and I'll just do two because it's only my 7-year-old that wants chocolate chip pancakes. So I'll do one of this, and then chocolate chip. I'm gonna be using the store brand semi-sweet chocolate baking chips. Just gonna put a little bit of it in the pancake mix. I think the bacon is done.
The bacon's done? Yum, yum, yum.
I'm gonna use that oil to make the eggs. This is the bacon. Let me finish the pancakes.
I'm getting my pajamas. Who wore this half of my pajamas?
I'm using the oil of the bacon. That's a lot of oil. I think I'm gonna take some out. That's way too much oil. Oh my gosh, it's so much. I don't need all that oil.
That's real oil. Are you using the rest of the egg?
Need to get something. I don't know where it is.
I thought you had it.
Okay, eggs are done. These are the eggs. And pancakes are almost done. Smells good. Just gonna use the same spatula for the pancakes. That is done. This is done. Eggs is done. And just one more of the pancake. Got the eggs, the bacon. Pancake is almost done. Just one more pancake and then we are done. So we have bacon, scrambled eggs, and our pancakes. This is almost done. Put this one in the middle. Some apples on the table. I'll cut that after. First, I'm gonna ask them if they want it, and then I'll just cut it.
Nanny,
Mm-hmm.
Isaiah and Ivory never woke up.
Let me just take this out.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So we have okay. So we have our pancakes, scrambled eggs, and our bacon. right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, and like. And happy Mother's Day. Bye.